loves, welcome back to another hair tutorial. If you are a lover of natural hair, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for more videos to come, and follow me on Instagram at theokaekaela. So I'm finally getting around to showing you one of my favorite natural hairstyles to do, which is the textured genie bubble ponytail. I love this look. It's out of my face and it's super sleek. So I'm going to be using KOIL Beauty Hair Care, and this is a black owned hair care line. So I have the entire collection with this shampoo, conditioner, hair mask, hair pomade, leave-in conditioner, hair gel, hair serum, and of course the growth oil. If you're someone who is into very light scents, this is going to be for you because it just smells like simple coconut and a little bit of like shea butter in my opinion. But I love it. It's great and the hold is there. So all I did was simply start off with shampooed hair using the shampoo and conditioner, and I also followed up with the hair mask. And I've been loving my haircut, you guys, so I wanted to switch it up because I've been doing like twist outs for the past 2 or 3 weeks since I've cut my hair. So I wanted to definitely keep it out of my face because honestly I don't really like my hairs all the way in my face. Sometimes I feel like I tend to break out that way. So I'm just finally filming how I do this. Now I did low-key do this hairstyle with like a extension ponytail in a sense, but I always do this on my natural hair and I never filmed it. So I'm finally getting around to doing it, and I was really shocked that it worked with this layer haircut. I felt like it was going to kind of poke out a little bit, but it didn't. So now I'm just going in with the leave-in conditioner, and I do like that it comes in a pump. I feel like the pump is really better for when it's like the shampoo and conditioner. Now for leave-in, because I'm very heavy-handed with my products, I don't really care for the pump in this sense, but it comes out great. It's a creamy texture, and as you can see, it's getting my hair all the way together. Like, look how defined my curls are looking. So then after I applied my leave-in conditioner to that section, I just applied it in 2 sections, by the way, you guys. I'm going in with that hair growth oil and applying it to my scalp, and then I'm going to give myself a really good scalp massage. And once I give myself a good scalp massage, I just go in with my Felicia Leatherwood brush, or you can go in with the Demon brush and just, further detangle and get it as distributed throughout the hair as possible. And then I'm going to go in with the hair gel and apply that all over this section. So I'm basically working in 2 sections because I'm going to be slicking it back into a low ponytail. So everything I'm doing to this one side of my head, I'm going to obviously do to the other side. Now I will say with this hair gel, I do feel like it has a pretty good hold, so that's good, especially if you have hair more so on the dense or coarser side. This will work for you. Now I do feel like the gel should have been in a bigger bottle. That's my only complaint because I can go through some hair products, you guys. You guys know I'm super heavy-handed with hair products, and I'm probably going to get maybe 1.5 uses out of this gel next because I did use a lot just to kind of slick my hair back with. So that's my only complaint about that. But other than that, the gel hold level is pretty darn good. Alright, so the biggest key with this is just to make sure that your hair is as smooth as possible and sitting pretty low and taut in a low ponytail. And then I'm just going to go in and just make sure that I have it detangled on the ponytail part pretty good and go in with the hair pomade. Now the hair pomade suggests that it can be used as like an edge control, so that's what I'm using it for. Now me being me trying to record this, I definitely missed an entire section in the back of my neck, so please disregard that. I did end up getting that once I took my scarf off in the morning. But yeah, I'm just going in with this as a edge control, and I also think the hold on this is pretty good as well. So I did go in with some rubber bands, and I took some of the hair growth oil and actually dropped some of the oil on the hair rubber bands so it just won't be so dry against my hair and cause any additional friction, and easy to take down. Now the key with this Genie bubble ponytail is to just make sure that you are placing the rubber bands a good 1 to 2 inches apart. So, you know, only use as much as you need. And the cool thing about this is I did go in with some of that hair gel and smoothed it throughout the length of the hair. Now I was really shocked that it actually worked, because you're going to see me like take the rubber bands down just to kind of make sure I'm getting it how I want it. Now with my hair being layered, I did think that it was going to kind of poke through and be frizzy in some areas. Now some areas did curl up and didn't get touched by the rubber band, but that was totally fine as long as you just take some hair gel and smooth it throughout the length of the hair. Take your Denman brush or like a hard bristle brush and smooth it down. It basically like molds all the hair together. And then all you're going to do is take your rubber bands and create the bubbles. Now when I go in to create the bubbles, I do like to kind of loop the rubber bands twice. I just feel like it kind of puts a good little hold on it. And then I kind of go in that section and kind of fluff the bubble out just a little bit. It's very simple, very easy to do. It's dang near the banding method in a way. Yeah, so it's very simple. That's all I do. And then at the very end, I just kind of coil a little curl at the end. And this is how my hair looks the next day. This is my favorite go-to hairstyle. Super sleek, out of my face. And I'm just showing you guys right here where it did kind of frizz up or just kind of dry and curl up out of place. It's okay. You can literally brush it in. And all I did was take some hair pomade and some gel and just kind of mold it back down. But that is pretty much it. It's very easy to maintain. All you simply do is tie it back down at night. And if you need to rub some gel throughout the length of the hair, you can definitely do that. Sleep with the bonnet on, and that is pretty much it. Again, I use the KOIL Beauty Hair products. This is Black owned, and I will link all of the product links in the description box down below for you guys to check out, as well as the Instagram page. But yes, I love this, y'all. Like, my makeup was flawless this day. The earrings and jewelry was hitting. The waves were hitting. And again, I was just super shocked that one of my go-to hairstyles worked with my hair being in layers. So that is pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below about this cute textured genie hairstyle. And I will talk to you guys later in the next video. Bye.